In example 1, we are going to find the x-intercept and y-intercept of the line 2x plus 7y equals 28. On the previous slide, we saw that the x-intercept occurs when the y value is 0, and the y-intercept occurs when the x value is 0. We can use that information to calculate our intercepts without graphing. So to find the x-intercept, I will simply plug in 0 for y and solve my equation. 7 times 0 will be 0. When I solve this, I get that x is 14. An x-intercept is an ordered pair. So I need to write my answer as 14, 0. I don't need to label it as the x-intercept because I have a value in the x spot. That's what indicates that this is the x-intercept. To find the y-intercept, you plug in 0 for your x value and solve the same equation. 2 times 0 will be 0. When I solve this, I get that my y value is 4 when my x value is 0.